you want to make money online, it's constantly on your mind. Every time you go on socials, you see another success story of someone making $10,000 plus per month. You're working harder than ever, trying to get there as fast as you can, but your bank account stays the same. Time keeps passing, and you're still chasing that big break. I've been where you are. I've attempted multiple strategies to make Wi-Fi money, and I now understand what makes the difference between a successful side hustle and a non-starter. This experience is why I've put this together, to help you avoid the pitfalls most people fall into when starting out, and to save you a lot of time and money in the process. In this video, I've broken down 4 different ways of making money online that cover a wide range of situations, so you can make an informed decision on what you want to pursue to start making real money. No BS, no upsell, and no fluff. Just frank advice that will actually outline each process. Stick around to the end of the video as I critically rate each of these methods out of 10, so your decision can be as well prepared as possible. Let's get into it. 1. Master a skill. Sell it. Scale it. Your skills are more valuable than you realize, and certainly more than businesses pay you in a job. Pick one high-income skill. For example, high-ticket closing, funnel building, or AI automation. Go all in on learning this skill. Do not get distracted by other things, no matter how tempting they may seem. Side note, most people fail to do this and end up with nothing to show for it. Don't let this be you. Give yourself 30 to 90 days to grasp the one skill to a competent enough level to understand and apply it consistently. Design an ideal client profile, ICP, for your ideal customer, then work out where they go. Do they go to specific social media groups or in-person events near you? Visit these places and pitch them on what you sell. Secure your first 3 clients, then deliver the results for them. Do this consistently, getting testimonies and feedback as you go. List this positive feedback on somewhere public, like a Trustpilot for your services or an Instagram account. Once you've made a sizable profit from doing this, and at least 12 months has passed since starting out, then package how to do what you're doing into a course, workshop, or coaching. Market this tuition on social media platforms. Find new clients who want to learn how to do what you're doing. Then sell them on your mentorship. Blend video content made by you, detailing how to do what you're doing, with some real-time tuition to your mentees, and you're now earning and scaling without just paying through giving your time alone. You can even hire an outbound sales rep to speed up the process of client acquisition, putting them on commission only so there's no immediate cost to you. You only pay if they deliver. Most people stop at selling their time. This is what a basic job is. We scale by turning skills into assets, so your work pays you even when you're off the clock. This is how creating wealth starts. One skill, your first few clients, that initial digital course. But what if you could repeat this across multiple offers, or layer other sources of income onto it that blend seamlessly and enhance your initial product offering? Stick around, we'll cover that in the next segment. 2. Affiliate marketing. You don't need a product physical inventory or to even show your face on camera, but you can make thousands per month just by recommending the right products to the right people. This is affiliate marketing. Step 1. Pick a painful problem. Money follows problems. The more painful the problem, the more valuable the solution. Pick a niche where people are actively looking for help, like how to lose weight, how to make money online. Sound familiar? How to stop anxiety, or how to learn a skill in 90 days. Step 2. Choose a high-paying affiliate program. Find digital products that solve these problems. Go to places like Digistore24, ClickBank, Impact, or Amazon. Low payouts but high trust. You can also try private SaaS affiliate programs like Notion, Jasper AI, and Kajabi. Long-term, you want to aim for high commission percentages, i.e. over 25%, recurring payments, and products with built-in funnels like webinars or sales pages. Step 3. Make 3 types of content. You don't necessarily need to go viral. Rather, you need to be helpful and searchable by people struggling with the problem your referral product solves. Create 3 content types. Search content such as best tool to grow a YouTube channel. Comparison content. For example, Jasper AI versus ChatGPT. Which one wins? Results content. Things like, I made $1,200 last month using this tool. Then give your affiliate link. Step 4. Build a simple funnel. Send people to a landing page with a free value offer, like a checklist or cheat sheet. Collect emails, then follow up with a short email sequence that leads them to the affiliate product. Some tools you can use are Kit, formerly ConvertKit, System.io, and Beehive for newsletter-based affiliate marketing. Step 5. Post daily, but repurpose smartly. You don't need to film every day. Batch 7 videos in one day, then repurpose them. One version for YouTube Shorts, one for Instagram Reels, one for TikTok. Use text overlays, trending audio, or voiceovers to keep them engaging. Step 6. Track and double down. Use unique affiliate links for each platform. Find what converts, then double down on what's working. One viral video or blog post can generate $500 to $1,000+ per month on autopilot. Step 7. Scale with automation. Once you're earning $1,000 a month, scale with AI content tools like Jasper, Koala Writer, email automations, and virtual assistants to help manage DMs or repurpose content. You go from creator to digital business owner. Bonus tip: stack recurring products. Want to compound the money you make? Stack multiple affiliate offers that all enhance each other as well as the overall product offering. For example, you could promote a funnel builder, an AI writing tool, budget tracking software, as well as lead generation software to help small businesses bring more clients in and, in turn, more money. Want to make money from something tangible? Then, the next method might be even more alluring. 3. Buy and flip undervalued products for profit. Have you ever heard the phrase, "One man's trash is another man's treasure"? Everyone values different things, and there are groups of people that value certain things highly. They will pay handsomely for these things. Collectors of niche things are typically a fantastic market to work with, as they're already emotionally bought into the product they collect. They are more ready to justify large spends based on them being emotionally invested into what you're selling. How much easier do you think it would be to sell a vintage Pokemon card to a collector for tens of thousands of dollars, as opposed to selling to a commercial shop where the buying decision is purely commercial? Here's how to get started. Step 1. Pick your flipping lane. Cars, trading cards, electronics. You don't need to master all of them. Just pick one category and go deep. Step 2. Learn what sells fast. Use eBay's sold listings, Facebook Marketplace trends, and TikTok search hacks to find out what's hot. Free tools like Google Lens can also be used to enhance your searches. Step 3. Source undervalued gems. Hit places where these products are typically listed for sale, such as thrift stores, garage sales, auctions, Facebook Marketplace. Set search alerts for undervalued items. Time it right, and you'll find steals daily. Step 4. Clean, present, and list like a pro. Take clean photos. Write strong titles. Show value. You're not just selling a product, you're selling a transformation. Some products even allow for an upgrade, and for you to sell at a premium for the upgrade done. Cars that have been improved, trading cards that have been graded. The opportunities there to add value and force an even higher profit per sale. Step 5. Reinvest and systemize. Flip profits into better flips and more inventory. Outsource parts. Use VAs to handle listings, or even to regularly find new leads for stock for you. Pay for marketing, so you can attract leads wanting to offload their products, your future stock. You're not building a hustle, you're building a business. 4. Grow a social media page. Monetize the attention. Anyone can build a social media page from pretty much anywhere in the world with just a mobile or laptop and an internet connection. It's the idealized business for a lot of younger people. But like all businesses, there's steps to follow to ensure this is a success for you. Here's how to grow a social media page and turn it into real income in 3 simple moves. Step 1. Pick a niche that pays. Most people pick a niche they like. Focus on where people's attention and money go the most, then choose one of these topics as your niche. Things like money, fitness, and health are always very popular because these are things valued by the majority of society and are where I'd suggest to start your search for a niche. Step 2. Reverse engineer viral content. There's no need to reinvent the wheel when it comes to going viral. Success leaves clues. Scroll through the top 10 accounts in your niche. Study what content gets views, what music, what hooks, what edits. Then recreate these, but with your own twist. You only need one video to go viral for your channel to blow up. Step 3. Monetize the attention. Money paid from the platforms from things like AdSense is typically only a small chunk of what content creators make. The larger portion of their income comes from additional products and upsells. Here's 4 ways that are typically used by professional creators. UGC, user-generated content. Brands will pay typically around $100 to $1,000 per video for you to create content using your existing style. Affiliate links. Drop affiliate links to tools, courses, and products that match your niche. Instant passive income. Brand deals. As you grow, companies will pay you to post. Even small pages can make $500 to $1,000 per month. Digital products. Sell templates, guides, or courses once you gain authority. These make for an incredibly high profit margin. Some of these methods are great if you're just starting and have zero budget. Others are perfect if you've got more time or skills to offer. So I've rated each of these 4 strategies across 4 essential metrics. Startup cost. How much do you need to get going? Time to 10K per month. How quickly can you start making real money? Initial time investment. How heavy is the upfront grind? Passive potential. Can it make money while you sleep? Here's how each method stacks up. 1. Master a skill. Sell it. Scale it. Startup cost. 7 out of 10. Between $100 to $1,500 depending on the skill. Books, courses, YouTube, mentorships. It's not free, but it doesn't break the bank either. Time to 10K per month. 7 out of 10. Timeline. 6 to 9 months. If you lock in your offer, outreach, and close high-ticket clients quickly. Initial time investment, 5 out of 10. This one's front-loaded. You'll be putting in long hours learning, practicing, and pitching before you can go to market. Passive potential, 8 out of 10. Once you create a product or build a mentorship pipeline, it becomes scalable and semi-passive. Overall score, 7 out of 10. Verdict. One of the fastest ways to $10,000 a month if you're serious, especially if you layer a scalable offer like coaching, consulting, or digital products on top of your service. 2. Affiliate marketing. Startup cost, 10 out of 10. Pretty much free to start. Just need a phone, internet, and time. Maybe the occasional app access or platform to boost your outputs. Time to 10K per month, 6 out of 10. Timeline, 6 to 12 months. Typically starts slow, then compounds like crazy if you rank content and build email lists. Initial time investment, 7 out of 10. You're making daily content, building email funnels, tracking links. Fairly easy to learn, but takes some time. Passive potential, 10 out of 10. Once you rank, automate, and repurpose, this can run 24/7. True passive potential. Overall score, 8 out of 10. Verdict, not the fastest, but one of the most passive and scalable. Focus on high-ticket and recurring affiliate offers to speed things up. 3. Buy and flip undervalued products. Startup cost, 6 out of 10. You'll need some money to buy your first items. As low as $50 can get you started. However, the more you have, the more you can flip. Time to 10K per month, 8 out of 10. Timeline, 3 to 9 months. Depends on what you're flipping. You'll likely plateau unless you systemize. Initial time investment, 9 out of 10. Can start finding, messaging, negotiating, and reselling products with minimal learning time needed. Passive potential, 5 out of 10. Whilst you can make this passive, the margins on physical products will be constrictive to growth. Products with higher prices will make this easier. Overall score, 7 out of 10. Verdict. Great for quick wins, but hard to scale alone. Use this to fuel other ventures. 4. Grow a social media page, monetize the attention. Startup cost, 9 out of 10. A phone and an internet connection is enough. Some editing tools are needed to create at a competitive speed. Time to 10K per month, 7 out of 10. Timeline, 3 to 12 months. If you grow fast and layer monetization well, UGC, brand deals, affiliates, and products. Initial time investment, 6 out of 10. Filming, scripting, editing, posting. Not easy, but fun if you enjoy creativity. Passive potential, 9 out of 10. Brand deals, affiliate links, digital products. Content is leverage if you play it right. Overall score, 8 out of 10. Verdict: if you're willing to grind creatively, this can become a content-based cash machine. You need consistency and smart monetization, but the payoff is huge. So there you have it, 4 powerful ways of making money online that have been tried and tested and can be done by anyone who has access to a laptop and an internet connection. These are: 1. Master a skill. Sell it. Scale it. 2. Affiliate marketing. 3. Buy and flip undervalued products. 4. Grow a social media page. Monetize the attention. The truth is, most people fail not because the method didn't work, but because they didn't stick to one long enough to master it. Choose the one that fits your time and resources the best. Burn the boats and go all in. The only thing standing between you and the version of you making $10,000 a month and more online is action. Make the decision today. Keep moving forward and keep leveling up. If you gained value from this video, please drop a like and subscribe for more content and wisdom on how to upgrade your life in all stats. Until the next update.